You are going to love the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.